If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic video. Right now, I do love Luna Classic. I am looking at Luna Classic for a very long time. I've been talking about it, and I think it's amazing. Okay, the patterns are there, it's forming up, but I'm still worried about Bitcoin because if you look at Bitcoin is looking to make a bat pattern, an XABCD pattern that can take the altcoins going down, but to me it doesn't make sense Luna Classic wise, because I don't know if Bitcoin is going to affect Luna Classic at all. I don't think so. But at the moment, what I'm going to talk about in this update is that if I do bring or remove this one little bit of a small pattern right there, Luna Classic to me is on a technical journey to actually move up to 26,887. Okay, and currently what you're doing is you're making a morning star right on a support level. So very simple. Support and resistance here, resistance there, resistance here, resistance there, resistance here, a break to the upside, bullish closing like this, you're coming down for the retest, and you're back testing, and you're making a confirmation candle known as a morning star. So if you do zoom in there, this is a red candle, doji in the middle, and a green candle, and this is a morning star because at least the green candle is halfway than the red candle right over there. So that actually still qualifies to be a morning star. Now this is a bullish candle and a reversal candle to continue up. You can, and by the way, the fact that it's a morning star is because the candles, these three candles for the past 3 days have actually closed. They're not like in play or they have to close. They have actually closed and confirmed it being a morning star. Now, normally a stop loss, people are going to place their stop loss near 17,676. Now, sometimes candlestick stop loss are not amazing. I've just speaking from experience. And I think the better stop loss previously was down here 15,300 or 400, but now it's going to be 16,000. This is a place that I think is the best stop loss at the moment, because you might want to ignore the hunts. You can still do something like this and then try to move up. Okay, take the stop loss completely, come down, take the stop loss, flush away, and then continue to the upside. But I don't see it actually making it all the way down to this level, let alone this level actually, okay, because ever since the break happened, the levels actually jumped to the upside. Previously it was this as your stop loss. When the prices moved up, the stop jumped to this place. When the price moved up again, the stop jumped to that place. Now if the prices actually break up to 21,000 like this and nearly 22,000, the stop loss is going to come up to this point at the moment. So it's just a move to the upside and you go down. One more thing is, I think there's a trend line that we still also need to draw. So if I do bring up this outside trend line, you can see that it really doesn't make sense to make all the way and move all the way down like this and come down here and make up. I don't know if there's going to be a Wells play. I hope that never happens. If it happens, it happens, and then you get defeated in the market. Or you can just, if you're an active trader and you know how to look at the prices and actively track the prices, don't even work with the stop loss. It's sometimes okay. But okay, when you don't work with the stop loss, you just want to keep your eyes glued to the prices and how quickly they change, because you don't want to remove your stop loss and go to sleep. Or if you're working with a stop loss, then you're not working with a stop loss, then it should be on a condition that you're doing this long term, basically with a little bit of small amount. Don't buy huge money and remove the stop losses and think everything is just going to be okay and cross your fingers. It doesn't work like that. That's just you being emotional. And being emotional, they're going to be beaten in the market, by the way. So that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.